Thinking about upgrading your car stereo but not sure if the Kenwood Dpx505bt is legit or just another overhyped gadget? Let's get honest. Here's what you actually need to know in just 2 minutes. First off, the Dpx505bt is the real deal from a reputable brand. You'll find it on Crutchfield, Amazon, and other trustworthy sites, stacking up tons of positive reviews. It's not some sketchy fly-by-night product. Let's talk pros. The sound quality? Awesome. Thanks to a legit 13-band EQ and digital time alignment, I can tweak the audio until my ride sounds just right. There's also Bluetooth 4.2, which handles 2 phones at once and streams music from up to 5 devices. That's a party on wheels. Plus, it's got a front USB port that even plays FLAC files for my high-res tracks, and the AUX input is always handy. But it's not perfect. The interface is all buttons, no touchscreen. Great if you love tactile feedback, but maybe a little old school for some. The 3-line LCD display? Not so hot in direct sunlight. I've definitely squinted more than once. And while you can dive deep into customization, the menus can get confusing fast if you don't have the manual nearby. Alexa is built in, but honestly I barely use it. Feels a bit extra. Need power? The built-in MOSFET amp delivers solid wattage and you get full smartphone integration for both iPhone and Android. Want to expand your system? There's a 6-channel preamp output, so adding amps or a sub is a breeze. Bottom line, the Kenwood Dpx505bt isn't a scam. It's a solid, reliable upgrade if you want killer audio and don't care about fancy touchscreens. Just be ready for a bit of a learning curve with those menus.